I swear to God, y'all, now I'm not in here to shop.
Barely. Nope.
It's nobody in here, gang.
And I ain't buying shit.
It's nobody in here, gang.
Target and Walmart are finding out. That is, finding out what DEI was actually worth. After its DEI rollback announcement on January 27th, Target has seen foot traffic decline for 3 consecutive weeks. And keep in mind that for the first 4 weeks of 2025 before this announcement, they were seeing foot traffic increase. And Walmart, the nation's largest retailer, has been seeing similar trends after rolling back its DEI initiatives, seeing its foot traffic decline also for the last 3 consecutive weeks. So, are these consumers just not shopping at Target and Walmart anymore, or are they going somewhere else? While we may never know exactly for sure where these shoppers are going, it is a bit of a coincidence that a retailer alternative, Costco, is seeing foot traffic increase for these same 3 consecutive weeks. Costco has continuously resisted pressure to roll back its DEI programs and stands firm that diversity, equity, and inclusion makes its company stronger. And clearly, consumers agree and are putting their money where their mouths are, in Costco. So Target, Walmart, was fucking around worth it now that you're finding out?
Man, this DEI boycott of Target and Walmart is really making an impact. I've been seeing tons of videos online. In fact, I have to go out tomorrow to do some shopping, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to Costco because Costco is not caving in like these other companies, and they are a diverse company. But Walmart and Target have chosen to go along with the GOP and get rid of DEI hiring. They just want to hire whiteys, I guess. But it's not happening. What is happening is this boycott, and it shows you what happens, strength in numbers. This boycott is having a serious impact. People are showing videos of empty aisles at Walmart, Target, and they're telling everybody to go to Costco and also Kroger, and especially a lot of Latino and Hispanic people are saying that Mexican food, Mexican products have been taken out of Target and Walmart. So it's even worse because Latinos and Hispanics are not going to these stores as well. So I'm going to jump on board. I'm going to support everybody else. So I am boycotting Target and Walmart. And
if you'd like to see something really encouraging, like the power of the will of the people, go up to the upper part of your screen and enter the word Walmart and look up to see how deserted Walmart was yesterday on Black Friday. There were literal tumbleweeds going through the aisles because they'd cut back on their DEI. In fact, they're eliminating their DEI program. And customers said, not another dime. But let me tell you something. The MAGAs are going to be shocked to find out that the greatest beneficiaries of DEI programs, and there's lots and lots of figures on this, that the greatest beneficiaries are actually white women. So they've voted against not the black and brown people who they want to do bad things to, but it's their moms and their sisters and their aunties.
On Friday, a good chunk of North America did an economic blackout, no spending. We're gonna take a look at the early data, what it's showing, and yes, it's gonna create some opportunity to buy some stock. First up is Costco. The general trend is up. You'll see it plateaued on February 19th. Many of you have been saying a week ago, lines were crazy, parking lots were crazy, people probably stocking up. It did get hit though on February 28th. General trend still up. Next up is Target. Look at that line, straight up. Target barely got hit on February 28th. Home Depot, general uptrend since beginning of the year. Probably consumers worried about inflation and tariffs, hence buying in advance of that. However, did get hit pretty hard on the 28th, but again, you'll see here general uptrend. Wow, this is Starbucks, general uptrend. Looks like they got hit pretty hard on the 28th, and I know a lot of people also stayed home that day as well, which probably added to it. Amazon, untouchable, pretty untouchable. Look at that, tiny dip, that's it. Last but not least is Walmart. That is a big tip, guys. I'm a bit surprised. We'll love your thoughts on what's happening here. I know a lot of people want to support local that day. That might be part of it, but wow, that's pretty bad. Ranked from least hit hard to the most hit hard, we've got Amazon, Target, Costco, Walmart, Home Depot, and
Listen, folks, Walmart just F around and now they're finding out. Listen, go to your search bar and type Walmart, DEI, right? And you'll see what I'm talking about. Stores are empty.
It is wild to hear that a lot of people across North America have stopped shopping at vast majority of retailers, except for Costco. Today is part 3 of a series where I share insights on consumer spending trends based on real-time data that we just got access to. In our data, it was even shocking to see that Amazon is starting to see a slowdown in sales. Amazon. And if you guys take a look at the first and second video in this series, there are so many people who have said that they've stopped shopping at Amazon. They've canceled their Amazon subscription. And guess what happened today? Amazon, after market close, announced their earnings, and the stock is down 4% because guidance for the next quarter was pretty weak. So like last time, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments on what's happening. I've got some questions for you guys. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Costco, in case you're wondering. So my questions are, 1, will you ever go back to spending money at some of the other big box retailers like Amazon or Walmart? 2, what are you buying at Costco? Are you buying more of certain items, less of certain items? Are you guys purchasing any of the services that Costco offers, like travel, insurance? I just heard for the first time that they offer this. I had no idea. And do you guys have any secrets or hacks that you want to share that everyone here watching the video, reading the comments could benefit from? Please do share and let us know. Like last time, I'm going to be taking a look at all the comments, taking a look at the ones especially that get upvoted the most, and I'm going to try to summarize everything, synthesize, and hopefully share some really interesting insights in the next video. So please follow along, share, reshare, subscribe. Any of your support would be much appreciated. Thank you.
What up, homies? Walmart. They done fucked around and found out. We do not play when it comes to our money no more. Like, we're no longer playing with you people. Like, I don't get it. However, I will say I'm not surprised. This is normal for Walmart. Walmart is always trying to sneak it in. And so they tried to do it again and didn't know that y'all were paying attention. Ever since the president was elected, they didn't know. They made a choice and a decision. So DEI, diversity, equality, and inclusiveness, they've decided to stop. Oh my God. Why? Because now you've not only not included the Black and brown people, but you've also decided on the disability, those with disabilities. You've also decided on the LGBTQ community, and you also decided on our elderly and veterans because they're the most ones who are in the diversity, equality, and inclusion portion of the conversation. There's more of them than it is of us. Like, I don't know what you thought you were going to do and accomplish by telling us that you don't want us, but you've done yourself a disservice. It's not unlike you. I mean, from trying to make us pay to check out to how you organize your stores and think you're gonna hurt us in to the way that you've added things in the store to try to keep us from to come. You actually put McDonald's and Subway, which were really popular at one time, in your stores to get us to come because we were already tired of you. So to see you sneak this in, I'm not surprised at you. You're doing exactly what megas do. Yes, I said mega because they fund and help Trump. What did we think they were gonna do when he was elected? They get to say and show their true acism. But watch, I know you, and you, you're still gonna go. There are so many other stores that are cheaper. You can get half that shit off of Shein. You can get half of it from Amazon. You can get it from Fashion Nova. You can get those things from TikTok. You can get those things anywhere. And groceries at Aldi's, Kroger, Target, hell, H-E-B if you live in Texas, it's cheaper than me. Kroger's up their coupon game. So I don't never go into Walmart. When I say it is the last resort, like literally I will go, to 5 stores before I'll go to Walmart. I would have to I would have had to exhaust every measure. I even go to Dollar Tree and Dollar General before I go to Walmart. So I'm not surprised they don't get my business anyway, but they're really not going to get my business now because I am about equality of all genres. Yes, LGBTQ, Black and brown people, the elderly, our veterans, and our disabled. So therefore, Walmart, good luck. You done effed around and found out.
Hi, it's Thursday, February 20th, and it was a shitty day for the U.S. stock market. Couldn't have happened to nicer people. First, Walmart's guidance fell short of expectations, indicating dampening consumer demand. I know a bunch of us are dampening our consumer demand at Walmart and Target and lots of other shitty places, so that's a positive for boycotts. Also, tariffs have the retail sector feeling nervous. Oh no, all you folks that said you voted for Trump because he's gonna make the economy better, how's that working out for you? No, not so well, sorry about that. And then finally, Peter Thiel's company Palantir, which is a ghoulish defense contractor, if you didn't know, was down 5.2% after the Pentagon announced that they were going to be cutting the budget. Oh, we love Peter Thiel. No, we don't. We don't love the guy behind J.D. Vance and, Apartheid Clyde and all those people. We're not interested in Peter Thiel at all. So, it couldn't happen to nicer people. And all I have to say is don't forget, February 28th is a complete economic blackout. Fuck these companies.
Target, Walmart, what the hell is wrong with you? I was at Costco yesterday. I did my weekly shopping there, but I usually spread it around. Not anymore. Safeway, what are you going to do? I'm tagging all of you. I want a reply. If you do not reinstall your DEI requirements, I'm not going to be able to shop at your store anymore. And I think I represent a large swath of the American population. Get your shit together.